It's a headlight from 2005 Lincoln Aviator. It has HIDs on the low beam, and I had one blow out. And of course, again, no videos anywhere, no real instruction on the internet, so I started to dig into it. There are 4 T20 Torx bits on the back of this. I kind of had to pry it off because it was stuck. You pull that down, take this and give it a twist. Do this with one hand. There we go. That pops off. And then you take and push this tab over. In and over. Get it around that metal piece. In and over and get around that metal piece, and then your bulb comes out. This is your HID bulb. And there's a number there, and it says DR2 Phillips, D2R Phillips 35 watt. And there is a notch here and a notch here that correspond right at the top there. So, off Amazon for $60 shipped Canadian, got the D2R Wagner, and we're just going to install that the exact same way that we pulled out the other one. It's just got a single prong in the bottom, and it's that easy. Just don't touch the glass if you don't have to. Hopefully you find this video helpful. It's not that hard and not that expensive to do.